Why y'all there? Lord have mercy, what a blessing. I'm Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks in the Hits Farm. Wherever you may be in the world, I hope you're having a great weekend and everything's good with you. Before we get started on today's video, if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what O'Dad's got going on over her, that's sure enough, thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today, Lord of mercy, it's going to be a good one. We're going to talk about seed banks. So let's get after it. Dan, seed banks, yep. I think everybody, given what's going on in the world right now, needs to be investing in seeds, saving seeds, having a way to store seeds, because I don't know how it is where you and y'all are at, but over here in East Central Mississippi, fresh produce is at a premium. It's just expensive. And because of this, if you're an avid gardener, be it in-ground gardening, raised bed gardening, container gardening, just gardening in general, it would behoove you to start saving seeds. So a company reached out to me maybe a week ago by the name of Lush and Dew. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spin you around, I'm gonna show you what they sent out to me, and then we'll go from there. Okay, here is what I got in the mail. And again, the name of this brand is called Lush and Dew. Now, Lush and Dew is a seed and gardening brand. The thing that really interests me about this company is they are a family team based in Centennial, Colorado. And that really drew me in, family based team. Now, what they sent out to me is a seed bank, and let me see, we'll open it up here. This particular seed bank is the all-in-one high-yield raised bed seed bank. I love raised bed gardening and container gardening, so this is right up my alley. And this contains 32 organic seed varieties. They even send you a growing guide that lists each one of the seeds that are in this seed bank. And it tells you what the seed is. It gives you the sun requirements, planting depth, time to harvest, and also spacing. So this is extremely informative how they did this. I like the way that Lush and Dew laid this out. So if something in this seed bank that you've never grown before, bam, here's all the information that you need. Spacing, time to harvest, planting depth, and the sun requirements. So well done on that. And it's broken down into, let's see, vegetables, herbs, organic fruits, and organic crops. Well done on that. As far as the seed bank, let's see, we'll open this thing up and we'll take a look at it. I believe this sits in here like that. Now, the really cool thing about this seed bank is each one of these seeds are stored individually in an acrylic container. So that is nicely done. And inside of the wooden seed bank, and it is wooden and latched, there are foam cutouts for each one of these acrylic containers. Nice. And the way this is set up, they're blocked off in fours. So if you want to look at okra, well, first one on the left side is okra seeds. And it goes in rows. So you don't have to guess at what kind of seed is in each one. Let's see, we'll pull this one out. It's going to be this block right here. So these are green peas. So I really like that. It's extremely informative and intuitive as well, because you don't have to guess at what's in these little seed containers. So they did a good job on that. They did a fine job on the way that it's stored. It's a wooden box. It's got their brand on it, Lush and Dew. It's got a safety latch on the front so it won't open up. And there you go. Very, very, very nice seed bank. So what I want to do is I want to hit on some key features about this product. And yeah, I like the way that it's set up. I like the way that each seed is in its own acrylic container. I really like that we could look on this sheet and just tell what's in each one of those acrylic seed containers just by looking at this. So no guessing. Yeah, I think I've already said that, but yeah, really like that. But some of the key features of this product, they're high quality seeds. So these seed banks are non-GMO, they're processed by hand, and they're tested for high germination rates. I can't tell you how many times I've bought seeds via Walmart, the Lowe's, things like that. You take the time to get the bed ready, plant the seeds, and next thing you know, you have one or two that don't germinate. So it can be disappointing at times. So I like the fact that this company actually, they test the seeds to make sure that the germination rate is there. And these seeds will remain viable for 1 to 3 years, which is really cool, given these seeds are stored in a cool, dry location, which you should be doing anyways. What's really, really, really attractive about this food bank is the way that these seeds are stored. And that is this wooden case right here. I'm going to tell you, it's aesthetically pleasing, and it's a really efficient way to store these seeds and know what's in each one of these acrylic containers by using this chart. Another thing that drew me to Lush and Dew is on their webpage itself, they tell you that they believe in quality over quantity. They don't have a huge variety of seeds, but they ensure and guarantee that these seeds are quality seeds. So really like that point. Another thing I want to bring up is the marketing side or marketing division of Lush and Dew is top notch. This company reached out to me, emailed me, and we spoke over email. And I'm going to tell you, I received the email, I replied back, and within a day, and it was probably less than a day, I received information back from this company. So kudos on the marketing side of the brand. If you have any problems, shoot them an email, and I can tell you they will get back. They'll get back to you within a day, if a day. So I'm here to tell you, if you are interested in a really nice seed bank, give Lush and Dew a look. And what I'll do is I'll drop a link down in the description pointing you to all of their seed banks, and you just look at it and you make that decision yourself. So over here on the farm in East Central Mississippi, when it comes closer to me planting my fall garden, I'm certainly going to look at each one of these seeds and see what I can get to grow for me. I'm really interested in maybe getting some of these tomatoes to grow in late fall. We're going to see what happens. Well done, Lush and Dew, on your seed bank. Very well thought out and put together. Well, all right, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. A seed bank sent out to me by Lush and Dew, and I'm here to tell you, I really like the way that it's designed and put together. If you're like me and want to save seeds, which I think everybody should be saving seeds, this is a really nice way to do it. Each one of those seeds are housed in their own acrylic container, labeled, so you know exactly what's in there. So yeah, again, kudos to Lush and Dew for the way that they put this together. So again, I hope everybody's having a great weekend, and I hope everybody's staying safe amid this crisis that, yeah, is always going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home 6 channel, Lord of mercy. Y'all need to come over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like showing y'all way cool seed banks. That being said, you know it's coming down, reference show enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody, you sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on, get your seed bank going. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.